Wide storage, St. Pete. We've dug up an existing spot repair where the sewer exits the building. You can see there was a collapsed pipe here, crack running along the length of this pipe. Right there. And it's also broken off right at the footer. Not a lot for them to tie back onto, which is why the ferncoes were loose. They were probably afraid of breaking it. We're gonna go up the building to see the condition of the cast iron underneath the bathroom floor. You can see heavy scale buildup from where the pipe has degraded over time and flaked off. Rust flakes flake off and build up along the bottom of the pipe. We've got multiple fittings along this line. Y's on their back, it looks like. And heavy scale build up here. Okay, looks like the 4-inch is reducing up the line here.
Boogered up.